So basically, in this kind of incident, I ended up ripping off this right here. My rear valence is actually cracked right there. I don't know if I can show you guys, but yeah, I was able to push everything back in. This guy's also broken, but this guy pulled off from there, pushed it back in. From the other side, the same thing. If we go all the way around, you guys can also take a look that this guy is torn downwards. This guy's chewed off, and I have no rear grill. In the video, you'll see that this guy actually flies up this way, and I just had no time to see it because I was looking to my right to make sure that the other car, you know, was merging in and I could have gotten out, but that wasn't the case. This is what I get for being nice. With that accident being happening and everything, I decided to also take into action and seeing what I could do. I'm not sure if I'm going to go through my insurance or not. It's a front bumper, a rear valence, and the bracket that goes under the muffler is actually bent. So I've been scraping over some speed bumps. I found out that that was bent. So for sure, I need a new front bumper cover. That's has to get replaced. The little lower grill I don't really care about. But if I do it properly, like fully restore it to how it's supposed to be as a ST, that's just for now $1,700. I don't know if I'm gonna go through with it yet. My insurance, on the other hand, I think my policy is a $1,000 deductible or $500. I'm not so sure. I think it's the 1,000. I have to double check it and seeing. But it also runs the risk of my insurance going up higher, which is something I don't want. I'm already paying a stupid amount of money for my insurance. I don't want to keep going and adding to it. Now, the other thing, of course, is me doing it the way that I want to is I can buy a whole new front ST bumper, have it painted, put it on myself. I've already taken it off before. I can take it off and put a new one on. After that, get a new rear valence. I can get like a Maxxon Design one, or if there's a new cooler one that looks really nice, I can also try that out. But so far right now, Maxxon Design has an RS style rear valence, which it looks nice just because I don't really like the two lines that it has on this one, but I don't want to also look like an like a RS wannabe. That's one thing I'm kind of trying to step away from. I want to embrace the ST. So overall, I can go with a different shop, ask them, hey, how much you guys order me a new bumper, paint it, go for it. All in all, if they can do it for, you know, either 500 or less, I would be fine. Now the other thing is my car is actually sounding pretty weird. It's kind of like sounding Subaru-ish. And what I mean by that is you can actually hear like pulsating. Like, I don't know how to say, like, you know how the Boxer engine sounds like? That's how my car sounds, but I'm not on lit mode, so it doesn't just backfire, because last time I did that, all you hear is like a straight up gunshot. Like, it's not the best thing ever. It just sounds so, like, it just doesn't sound good at all. Now in this case, I can either also just see if it's just my intercooler or my charge pipe, which I have to decide and seeing what that is. So I might pull it off tonight, seeing how that goes. And if it's just a charge pipe, honestly, I can get that fixed in a day, because charge pipes take about, I don't know, someone told me it was like 30 minutes to do a charge pipe, or for, I think it was, he said like 30 minutes for both. Knowing how I am, it'll probably take me more, but overall, I already have charge pipes at home, so that would be a plus. Let's see, let's hope that nothing else is broken, and